Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is a super special day because we're celebrating our first wedding anniversary. We decided to have a staycation here at the Aloft Hotel to relax and spend some quality time together. While Lavi is checking in, join me for a quick tour of the Aloft Hotel lobby. After resting for a bit and placing our things in the room, we decided to check out the swimming pool area. But right now, the main swimming pool of Aloft Hotel is undergoing maintenance. So guests who are checked in at this hotel are allowed to use the swimming pool of Rotana Hotel instead. From their swimming pool area, you can actually see the Aloft Hotel, the National Exhibition Center, and the Andaz Capital Gate building. And on the other side, you can also see several other hotels nearby. Since this is our first time in the area, let's explore a bit. We even asked the security guard if there was a grocery store nearby, and luckily, he directed us to Lulu Freshmarket. We get some snacks and some food to eat for our merienda later. shopping at Lulu, we also stopped by at Iceberg Café and Grill to check out and get some food for takeout.
I will buy you milkshake, okay?
Do they have vanilla milkshake?
We're now at the rooftop to check out the Brick Rooftop Kitchen and Bar. To get here, just head straight up to the 12th floor. As soon as you step onto the rooftop, you'll be greeted by stunning city views and a relaxed, vibrant atmosphere. The vibe here is perfect for unwinding, with cozy seating, great music, and an incredible sunset view that makes the whole place feel magical. Looking at the menu, it features rustic brick oven dishes, sharing plates, and a refreshing drinks that really enhance the experience. Brick opens daily at 5 p.m., making it an ideal spot for diner or an evening hangout. If you happen to visit on a Saturday, the staff recommends trying their BRB rooftop brunch, which is definitely worth the experience. If you guys are planning to visit this place, you can take buses like 33, 40, 41, L41, and N41. After we finished breakfast, we went straight out to explore their amenities. And guys, ang dami talagang pwedeng i-check out. First up, their garden area. The plants here are super lush and full of life. Sobrang fresh ng vibe. It's such a nice place to walk around and take photos. They also have a bar and restaurant right there. So if you want to chill, grab a drink, or try something new, ang dali lang. Next, we headed to the swimming pool area. And wow, the setup is absolutely beautiful. Ang ganda ng layout, very relaxing and Instagram worthy. The only thing is, the pool was still under maintenance during our visit. But you can already tell it's gonna be a great spot once it's open. And of course, we check out their gym area too. Perfect if you still want a quick workout during your staycation.